The D-Link DHP W310AV Powerline AV500 Wireless and Mini Extender conveniently extends your existing Powerline network over your home electrical wiring, reducing the need for cables. Note that your DHP W310AV may look slightly different or have a different plug depending on when and where you bought it. The DHP W310AV is easy to set up. Just plug it in wherever you want to extend your network and connect your PC to the DHP W310AV using the included network cable. There are 4 LEDs on the front of the DHP W310AV. The top one indicates power. It turns green when the unit is operational. The next one, marked with waves, turns green when the unit is emitting a wireless signal. The third LED, marked with a house, lights up when the unit is connected to a PLC network. The bottom LED turns green when a computer or other device is connected to the network jack on the DHP W310AV. If you prefer, you may also connect to the wireless network created by the unit. The default SSID or name is unique to your DHP W310AV. It appears on the back of the unit and on the Wi-Fi configuration card in the box. Once you're hooked up, open a web browser. If you use a Windows PC, type D-Link AP in the address bar and click Go. If you're on a Mac, go to dlinkap.local. Anytime you configure your DHP W310AV, you'll have to provide the administrator password. The first time you log in, the password is blank. A convenient wizard will walk you through the setup process. The first step is to create a new Powerline network, or join your existing Powerline network. If you already have a PLC network adapter, press and hold the Simple Connect button for about a second. This enables the device to detect your new DHP W310AV and establish a connection. If you're creating a new PLC network, repeat this process on each of your PLC adapters. You'll have to complete this step within 2 minutes. If your PLC devices are unable to detect each other, try plugging them into different outlets or unplugging nearby electrical appliances. Once your PLC devices are linked, go back to your browser to continue setting up your DHP W310AV. The next step is to configure your wireless network. Enter an SSID or name for your new wireless network. Let's use My Home Network. You should also enter a Wi-Fi password. That's the one you enter when you want to connect a wireless device. Note that this password is not the same as the administrator password, which is needed to change settings. For better security, these 2 passwords should be different. Now it's time to set your administrator or device password. Again, this is the one you must provide to change settings on your DHP W310AV. It should be different from your Wi-Fi password. You can enable graphical authentication if you want some extra security. Each time you configure your DHP W310AV, you'll need to type in some text from an image. On the next screen, review your settings and click Save. Wait a moment. After your settings are saved, you'll be taken to your DHP W310AV's configuration page. Here you'll see your wireless settings again. At this point, your DHP W310AV is ready to go, and you can connect to your high-speed wireless end network. If you have any issues or make a mistake during setup, no problem. Press and hold the reset button on the side of the DHP W310AV for about 5 seconds. When you release it, the LEDs on the front will change, and you can restart the setup process from the beginning. To connect a mobile device, just choose your wireless network and enter your password. You'll be using your high-speed wireless N network in no time. For more information, visit dlink.com.